unfortunately a piston. This is the condenser for the main deck. There's our disconnect. Let's see what we're working with here. Looks like a 3-ton. We'll hook the gauges up and get some pressures. Take this plate off here and get some amp draws, amp readings. So on this part of the video, I'm just showing y'all the little journey I have to take sometimes on these tugboats, going up and down, multiple flights. But just so you can get a feel of what the tugboats look like too. Pressures after letting it run for a while. Show you that cool. So this evaporator coil is clogged completely. No light comes through them. There you go. Do a light test, put my light on both sides, try to see if any light come through. There, like you can see it there, but barely. It's nothing. Should be showing a lot more than that. So, replacing the air handler. Got the new air handler, different day. Sorry, a little out of breath, all these steps. So, got to pump this down, get everything ready for the new air handler. I'm gonna do, get an umbrella. Had to go get a umbrella. Sun is killer. Southeast Texas heat, man. That. Loose that one. Close down the liquid side, right? Because the compressor is going to pump, and it's going to pull it, suck it into the compressor, into the condenser, and it'll stop here on my liquid line. All right? Way it's pumped down all into the condenser. What I like to do, the suction, is I'll get it all the way down and then back it out because they're so long-winded, so that whenever I'm ready to close it, I've only got a few turns to do, not all these. Long-winded they are. Gotta have a good sweat rag. Gotta have a good sweat rag. I always use an insulated Phillips, flathead, whatever, whenever I push the contactor in to pump it down. Okay, so this is kind of gotta watch my pressures. find the power. So I'm gonna find the breaker. Put it off first. Breaker, is it in the engine room probably?
I think it's in the rotor room back there.
Okay, yeah, that's right, I remember now. Okay, breaker, so it's loud in here. A lot of times we get earplugs, but I don't see any. Okay, put these on. Oh, here we go. These engine rooms are loud. When I was younger, I didn't care so much. I'm 36 now, so I care a little more. Do it when you're young, guys. Take care of yourself. Here we go. I'm gonna double check my power here. Make sure it was the right breaker. Got nothing. Nothing. Transformer back here. Nothing. You always want to double and triple check. Look, sometimes I'll just do them a non-contact. Boom, baby. Good. So I know for sure she's off. Alright. See here. You got these, you're gonna take them off. You always use this shielded stuff on these boats. Is that your high voltage, low voltage? Okay. Gotta take all that out. For those of you that are new, always take a picture of your thermostat wires, of any of your wires and how they're connected. It'll help you out a lot. I still do it to this day. Okay, so we gotta disconnect this. We got our ductwork. Got screws, places all around, through there, back there. Gotta disconnect. Are we gonna take all this out? Take the evaporator out, all this to make it easier just to work with. Disconnect our line sets, of course. always put nuts back on, always aware, because anybody could go back not knowing and maybe flip the breaker back on or something. It's all about precautions. Safety. Safety first, man. Now, if this won't come out, I might have to take them off, but let's see. So, from your thermostat, you've got your red, your main power, okay, goes to your red here on the system unit, air handler. Okay. And you've got your cooling, which is yellow thermostat, and it's connected to the condenser, which on this one is black for the condenser. Black and white, as you can see, these two. Condenser. Your condenser outside, I'm sorry, yellow's cooling, okay, and green is your fan. Okay. And white is for heat. It connects to the white in the air handler. Most of it is color coded. Your condenser comes in from outside, okay, and these are black and white. So you got one to your red, remember, to your power. I'm sorry, not red, to your cooling. One to cooling, and then the other to common, which is brown, common. Get power, and then come back to finish your circuit, common. Okay. Got a good 3-amp fuse. I need some. So, would have been in the trash otherwise. Okay. Get the condenser wire out here. Okay. Yeah, no, there's that wire. Don't like exposed wiring. It's never fun. You can see our thermostat here. It comes in through the wall around here, straight to your unit. Wipe my camera off. got some more copper, so I'm just gonna cut this instead of unbrazing it. As of right now, the tugboat is taking on gas, and I can't light a torch, can't do anything with the flame. So cutting this out for now. Once they get filled up, then we can use our torches. I think it's always better to put a filter dryer on the inside. Keeps it out of the elements, but definitely on these tugboats. They're out on the sea. There's seawater. That salt eats it up. So our new unit does not have a TXV like this where the bulb is flared on.
Oh no, we got our guy right here. Don't go in the engine room, they're testing the CO2 system.
Okay.
Please stay alive.
Yes. Oh, it don't matter. Whatever y'all want.
Here's the guy right here.
Alright.
Yeah, man. I can't work with it.
I know, man. It's like 73 down here.
Oh, that's too hot.
That's too hot.
73 is hot.
Anywhere you can find.
Yeah. You got a metal drain.
I know.
Cast iron drain.
I know, dude. Well, at least this can probably just pop off and...
I mean, it may. Get a tape measure. It may. Be
I know.
The exact same size.
It might be. I'm hoping. There's one on my bag if you don't have one. Yeah, we're replacing it. Yeah. Just this part. The line sets won't be open for a long time, but I still like to keep them as clean as I can.
Maybe not. Maybe it's threaded going that way. Sure seems like we're going tighter. I bet we are.
Yeah.
Let's try going this way. Now we're really tight.
Yeah, God. We gotta let YouTube know how strong we still are.
Upside down.
Golly, take that as a lesson, guys.
Yeah. Yeah. Righty tighty, lefty loosey.
Really, you can't tell though on all this rusted old stuff sometimes.
Beginner's mistake. Right.
Fun. Oh no. Ooh, it might just because. Well, if we can lift it
a little easier on us.
if we could lift it up, yeah. But
Whatever you think.
yeah, there's just a few screws. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Felipe. Whole unit. Right.
Get the Schrader core in this thing before I forget about it.
We'll probably just carry it on because we just gotta go. Oh, really? That's what it was. I mean, if we were having to change that out to our unit, we probably would. But I mean, we're just going there.
Yeah.
You got a Schrader in it?
Yeah.
I want to pull it when you're soldered.
Oh yeah.
Know what I mean?
Yeah. Let me
You know
do
what
that
I mean,
on there.
Bird?
No, Maver? No, Maver? Leave that
How
on there.
many kids have no idea what we're
I have
talking
no idea. None whatsoever.
I did not know that.
I know, dude. What the heck? It's hard to get both of us in here. What?
Yeah, that's. I was wondering about that. Honestly, it's not that heavy.
We could get it out. Just
It's
us.
just getting it out of this hole.
Yeah.
I don't have no drop bars if y'all want to throw
Anything
a rug
down?
or something down.
We got some
Or a
rags.
sheet or something that we could just,
We got rags.
like big rags?
Yeah.
I mean, we're probably not gonna tear it, but just in case, you know, if y'all got like a rug or.
Y'all want to use the dollar?
No,
No.
Yeah,
we don't need it.
No, only rags that we have are those small white
Okay.
rags.
We'll just be careful.
Yeah, it's gonna get wet. It might get scratched a little. We're just gonna be as careful as we can.
Alright. I'll get y'all a towel. I can get a towel for y'all guys.
Yeah, like a big
it'll
towel?
get nasty.
Like a big
Yeah, it's
towel.
gonna get nasty and dirty.
We don't care about
Okay.
that. Yeah, that'd be perfect.
All right,
Yeah.
put it in there.
We'll just use that for the bar. Let me get it out. One of already dirty? Yeah.
Alright.
Okay.
At least there's something there.
Yep, little something, something.
Something. Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, look at that. Love it.
Yeah.
Love it.
Wipe my face with that.
Oh yeah, here, look at it wet, and then you can wipe your face off with it. All right, it's gonna drop. It's gonna drop. So, what you
Grab
think?
one side of it. Here, I can grab the back maybe. I don't know if that's
It's just
gonna
gonna.
help you or not.
We'll just come down and.
Yeah, you might want to get up. I got
There we go. There we go.
maybe.
Catching something?
Oh crap, that copper.
Okay, I got it. I got it.
No, it's not the copper. It must be the drain.
Watch your back. Okay, there we go.
Okay.
Good thing it's a 3-ton, 2-ton. It's a 3-ton. Almost could drag it almost.
Ready?
Yep.
Right here for now.
Yeah.
Y'all going back in?
Oh, not right now. Not right away. Alright. No, we need to. I mean, we could try to reuse it, but we definitely need to blow it out.
I mean, if we can get fittings to go on here. Kind of a headache having a steel drain. Trying to connect it to PVC. Blow it out. We're gonna blow it out. Okay. Got the new one in. Well, placed. You can see they all say A2L, but it's not A2L. It's not 454B. Retrofitting it. We're making this a 410A unit. So I gotta take these A2L stickers off. So we gotta solder these in, make our line sets up, put a filter dryer in, connect our line sets, connect. Of course, our electrical, low voltage, condenser, high voltage. We got spots here, knockouts already. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Either or.
Yeah, that was.
Yeah. Pull this through here. Down here. Electrical connection. Tighten these down. This model, they're all labeled. This is my condenser wires. Oh, I haven't. No, I got his number, but I just haven't.
Just wanted in your pocket.
Yeah, I was curious of what he's doing and.
get my work here. Dang, did I burn through? God.
Well, you had a lot of, what, you had like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 solders, right?
It seemed like I only had like
And it's 7, 8.
2 welds to do with that stick you just handed. Yeah, that was kind of ugly right there.
Good.
Now this is gonna be a fun one.
Oh, that one in the back, too.
Especially with that armor flex right there. I may.
Well, we can cut it.
I might go to that small.
I'm up on the 3rd deck here, next to the wheelhouse. Building barges over here. Big old cranes that help out with jobs. It's a boat dock. We work on boats and anything else pertaining to the water. Little sand dune. This is where I'm at now. I just got the vacuum hooked up. Got my True Blue hose, field piece, vacuum pump, and I'm pulling a vacuum. Gonna let her pull down. Down 500 micron. So, it's kind of what our readings are right now. They're running for 15 or so, 20. So we converted to a 454B TXV and evaporator. We're noticing that superheat is always a little bit lower. Looks like we might need to add a little. Hey guys, thanks for sticking to the end. This is just a little bit of my daily life. Now, most of the time I am just running calls, but especially during the summer and when we need a hand, we definitely jump in and help each other out, get these jobs done. This was just a little bit of some stuff that I captured while doing this install, while changing out this air handler. I hope that you guys enjoy it, and just like, comment, subscribe. All of the above. If you like what you see, I'm going to keep on honing my skill and learning not only the HVAC side of it, but this side of it, the tech side. Come along on this journey with me and just help me decode HVAC. HVAC decoded.